Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into the absolute start-to-finish life cycle of a high-end science explainer. If you've ever watched one of those beautifully animated documentaries about the very edge of the universe and wondered to yourself, how on earth do they actually make that? Well, you are in the exact right place. Let's unpack the tools, the frameworks, and the workflows that bring these massive digital universes to life. So, here is our roadmap for today. First, we'll look at the science storytelling formula. Second, scripting the Iron Star era. Third, productivity with Microsoft 365. Fourth, post-production in DaVinci Resolve. And finally, the global creator workflow. Listen to this. You are zooming away from Earth, leaving our solar system behind. Wow, right? That is an incredibly immersive hook. Notice how it uses the word you. It literally drops the viewer right into the protagonist's seat. This is the classic zoom-out storytelling technique that massive educational channels like Minute Physics and Kurzgesagt absolutely love. You start with something familiar, like the Earth, and you rapidly expand the perspective out into the unfathomable depths of the cosmos. It's this instant pattern interrupt that grabs your attention and refuses to let go. All right, let's jump right into part one, the science storytelling formula. You know, top faceless scriptwriters rely on a really strict 6-step progression to keep you glued to the screen. It always starts with a strong hook. No boring intro greetings, just straight into the action. Then, they hit you with a problem or a mystery, something that totally defies your intuition. Next is the promise. They tell you exactly what you'll figure out by the end. Then, they break the actual science down into manageable steps. After that comes the insight. This is the crucial so what moment that connects abstract physics to your own life. And finally, a clear call to action, like subscribing or checking out a merch drop. This exact flow is the secret sauce that keeps viewers captivated from second one to the final click. But wait, before a viewer even hears that awesome hook, they gotta click, right? That's where the sensational curiosity title model comes in. You essentially have two primary paths here. On the left, you've got the dramatic statement. This is the scariest place in the universe. That triggers serious awe, or maybe even a little existential dread. Then on the right, the common question. Why is the solar system flat? This one taps into everyday paradoxes to solve a mystery. Both are incredibly effective at driving clicks because they promise a huge payoff without resorting to cheap clickbait. Moving on to part two, scripting the Iron Star era. Okay, so applying the storytelling formula literally turns abstract physics into an epic, slow-motion narrative. Check out this timeline of stellar decay. We start with the burnout. Over millions of years, common red dwarf stars exhaust their fuel, leaving behind these cold husks called white dwarfs. Then we hit the iron transformation. Over trillions of years, a super bizarre process called quantum tunneling slowly morphs these dead suns into solid lumps of iron. This brings us to the final graveyard, where massive iron stars just drift around like dead monuments. And finally, ultimate decay. Unfathomable eons later, even those iron giants evaporate into nothingness. Walking a viewer across this timeline, it turns a dense theory into an unforgettable journey. Now, a script about the literal end of the universe absolutely cannot read like a dry textbook. You need specific, almost poetic vocabulary. Words like suffocating emptiness, eternal night, or faint tendrils of energy. This language injects the script with that cosmic cliff feeling. It evokes a sort of optimistic nihilism. It makes you feel incredibly tiny against the backdrop of deep time, but somehow really privileged to be part of a universe that can actually understand itself. So, you've got this brilliant, poetic script about the Iron Star era. Awesome! But that is really only step one. The reality of modern content creation is that you are rarely doing this alone. You've got researchers, writers, voiceover artists, animators, colorists. So the big question becomes, how do you manage the logistical nightmare of bringing this complex universe to life without losing your mind? Well, that brings us right to part three, productivity with Microsoft 365. Look, when you're going back and forth with a remote team about exactly how to animate quantum tunneling, your inbox can turn into a disaster zone real quick. This is where AI swoops in to remove that administrative friction. Microsoft Copilot is built right into Outlook, and it can summarize massively long email threads so you get the context in seconds. It can generate first-pass email drafts from scratch, check your tone for clarity, and even auto-sort your high and low priority messages. It handles the busy work so you can stay entirely focused on your creative vision. And since high-end 4K video production eats up massive amounts of storage, picking the right tier is crucial. Microsoft 365 Basic gives you 100 gigs of cloud storage for just $199 a month. Not bad. But for serious creators juggling huge animation files, the personal tier at $9.99 a month is really the sweet spot. It bumps you to a full terabyte of storage and includes those powerful Copilot AI features we just talked about. And if you have a larger team, the premium tier at $19.99 a month offers up to 6 terabytes of shared storage plus advanced AI agents. Knowing these tiers ensures you've got the backbone needed to handle all those massive assets.
All right, let's talk visuals. Part 4, post-production in DaVinci Resolve.
DaVinci Resolve 21 is fundamentally a complete all-in-one studio. The interface is cleverly divided into these dedicated workspaces they call pages. So you organize footage on the media page, do quick assemblies on the cut page, and build your actual timeline on the edit page. Then you can dive into complex node-based cosmic animations on the fusion page, grade the deep inky blacks of space on the color page, mix your cinematic sound effects on the Fairlight page, and export the whole shebang on the deliver page. You literally never have to switch applications. It is a massive time saver. And the real magic powering all this automation? The DaVinci AI Neural Engine. It uses state-of-the-art machine learning to tackle complex, repetitive editing chores at lightning speed. For example, if you drop in a bunch of stock footage of scientists, it uses facial recognition to instantly sort clips into bins based on who's in the shot. It has smart reframing if you suddenly need to turn a horizontal project into a vertical short, and it'll auto-match color grades across different shots instantly. It basically gives a solo creator the power of a full assistant editing team. Now here is the kicker. The standard version of DaVinci Resolve is completely free. And yeah, it still gives you multi-user collaboration and exports up to 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. That is more than enough horsepower to start animating our Iron Star timeline today. But as your channel scales up, a one-time payment of $295 unlocks DaVinci Resolve Studio. That's the one that gives you access to the AI neural engine we just discussed, plus over 100 advanced plugins and immersive 3D audio tools. Which leads us to our final macro level. Part 5, the Global Creator Workflow. Scaling up your content means you have to work seamlessly with remote collaborators all over the globe. Blackmagic Cloud is an absolute game changer for this. It allows an editor in one country to cut the timeline, while a visual effects artist somewhere else builds out the animations, and a colorist grades the faint tendrils of our dying star, all in the exact same project at the exact same time. It features live sync, meaning updates pop up instantly on everyone's screen. And the best part, Blackmagic promises to never use your private media to train public AI, so your creative intellectual property is totally secure. Wow, we have covered the entire journey today, haven't we? We've seen how a single, punchy hook leads to a meticulously crafted script about the darkest, coldest eras of the future. We learned how to harness AI in our inboxes to get our time back, and how to use Hollywood-grade software hooked up to the cloud to bring those scripts to life with a global team. The tools to create breathtaking, high-retention educational content are literally more accessible right now than at any other point in history. So I'll leave you with this. From scripting the heat death of the cosmos to rendering it securely in the cloud, what universe will you build next?